Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Here we have gathered for the match number 12 between UHCC versus All Stars. Interesting equation here. For UHCC, they have played two matches. One match they have won, and one match they have lost. Third match they are here to play. Let's see what's there in the bag. With All Stars, they have only played one match and they've lost it. The previous match for them, the quick gist. I'd not like to start with a bad note, but the captain would like to start here with a win for them. The captain on my right, Sridhar, captaining for All Stars, and UHCC's captain onto his right is Naveen, and the match official here with us is Suresh. And Sridhar's got the coin for us, and he'll spin. Naveen shall give the call. Heads is the call, and tails it is. And All Stars have won the toss and they have elected to bat first. So let's go straight to the captain.
No, actually, we bat first.
Any changes in your team from your first game?
There is one change. Sandeep is not in, Kranti is in. Kranti is in.
Sandeep is in for Kranti. How would you like
No,
to...
Kranti is in for Sandeep.
Kranti is in for Sandeep. So how would you like to reflect on your previous match and what would you like to implement from the previous learning you have taken from the last match?
Actually, we are not thinking about the last match. So we want to start this as a fresh match and then look at how we play today.
Beautiful note. I'll allow you to go to your dugout and discuss your strategy. Best of luck. You've like to bat first. So let's go to the captain who's lost the toss of UHCC, Naveen. Unfortunate for you to lose the toss, but what have you gotten for us? Any strategy you've gotten to the pitch according to the pitch, or you'd like to do if you had won the toss?
If we had won the toss, we might have selected batting only because we want to put some good total and want to put some pressure on the field.
Usually the wicket looks little unchanged, unlike the other pitches of the other grounds. So everyone comes in, looks out for batting first. Any specific region as the wickets unchanged?
I think if the wicket is not changing in it much, so I'm thinking that it will come nice onto the bat and we can have a good score and then put the pressure on the second batting team.
So the last match you have lost it and you'd like to have the winning streak and to win the tournament as well. Any changes in?
Yeah, there are a couple of changes. I think one change. Yeah, I think I don't know exactly.
It's a little unusual for the captain. You shall decide who's sitting in.
I'm a standing captain.
Okay, the captain. He's in the shoes of captain. So that's it from here. All Stars have won the toss and elected to bat first. Live in coming for you. Thank you. Lost the toss and they've been put to field first. Taking guard. No. Of this over is just bowling little too wide in a start. Again, straight, no two views on this, and he's been given. Yes, no, there's a hesitation and it's gone. Directed. He's gone. Skied up in air, fielder running behind, Jagdish Reddy, he tried up. One bounce. Change in the field and it's gone straight. Knocked us off stump. Be frustrated with himself. Lures the batsman to take him on and finds the boundary. Flies it off from the slips region. Vacant slips. Catch wickets. I mean, like 2 wickets for an innings as the reputation is going on with.
And it's gone, taken the bat, flyer. Was mixed up. He directed it well. Fielder running across and a misfield. A rare misfield. Very well efforts. Cries of catches. Fielder coming in and he's redeemed himself with the catch. And he's bowled him up. He's rattled this wicket. Mixed up with pace. On and it's gone the distance to the other part of the ground. Finds the neck, third man comes in and beautiful catch. Takes on the covers and straight to the man. Second wicket of the over. Takes on down the track. Has he found the fielder? Yes, he has found the fielder again. Skewed up in air, the fielder running behind and he collects it well. They're not. And it's full toss. Who's coming in? Who's coming in? And the shot covers fielder and a directed. No ball plus a directed. What an end. First ball and first boundary for Zubair. Bounce and it's kited up in the air, keeping running behind. And the result is 4 again. Boom. Run down to the boundary here. Takes on again, not stopping. And it's a sixer. Unusual, he moves on to his right and then delivers. Takes on again, two fielders converging, running behind, it will not be easy. Can he get his hand? No. Flicked off his pads, no need to run there. He knew it as soon as it was hit from his. He takes on again, heaves, and it's gone for the distance. Humongous. See ya. Takes on, cries of catches, but only the fielder who's standing behind the boundary. Cries of catches, but it's gone past the fielder for 4 again. Comes down the track, takes on. Has it gone the distance? Yes, it has. Nobody tries to put the hands to the ball. It's like a bullet. Ball to continue with the spell is Sridhar. Takes on. And it's gone again for 6. And this would be a huge boost onto their NRR. Looped up again. Fielder trying to chase. He cannot get. 4 runs. Smacks it. And 4. It's like a cannon.
One of the player of UHCC.
Here we have gathered for the post-match ceremony of match number 12, played between UHCC versus All Stars, where a quick summary of the match would be like All Stars elected to bat first, put a score of 83 on all out, unfortunately, where the UHCC has won the match by 10 wickets in hand and wrapping it up just in 6 overs with their opening pair scoring with a high run rate. So let's go to the straight go to the captain who's with me, All-Star skipper Sridhar. Unfortunate to be on the news again, part of the game. How would you like to know?
No, I think it's again batting
This is your second game. I mean, if you'd like to address the batting issues which you've been constantly reporting from your first game, one thing which you'd like to make is that would be with your opening pair or your middle order to strike it.
There is no one specifically point, but everyone is not playing up to the
So do you think is it not because you told that you'll be coming back with a stronger group? Cricket is a game, don't blame you. Yeah, but do you think a low total again and all out a demise for you? As a captain you think, because a captain will have a lot of pressure, regroup his team and unite them. Do you think this will again haunt you?
No, nothing like that. I mean, so we are a bunch of
Definitely, only for you to go 2 games cannot decide where you are running up to. Definitely, I wish you all the luck. So let's call and hear it for the captain of UHCC, Naveen, who will join me. Congratulations for his win. Excited for you. Congratulations for wrapping them up with a low total. Definitely a huge boost for your NRR as well. What you had in mind when you were bowling first?
First of all, it's a wonderful day for us today. And only thing is the plan execution by the bowlers is wonderful. I mean, the way they executed the plan and they took the wickets, it's really extraordinary. And wanted to continue the same in the next time.
And anything on Vignesh's performance, because Vignesh has been the underdog for this game because Zubair and Jagdish have taken it by storm because Vignesh also bowled exceptionally well. 4 overs, 13 runs and 3 wickets. And you're feeling anything was going on when the keeper had dropped the chances?
No, we have to back our bowlers. And if fielders are not up to the mark or they are leaving the catches, I mean, we have to back them. I mean, not the case. I mean, we cannot just show our anger to the fielders or bowlers. I mean, we will just spoil the momentum. So we back our keeper, we back our bowlers, and here is the result.
Definitely, and you're on the winning side, taking it again up against Rowe. And I'd like to call upon the man of the match, Zubair, who has just scored 15, blistering, causing a havoc, and he deserves the applause and the roll. Ladies and gentlemen, he's coming.
Opponent captain देने चाहिए ना?
He's coming. So I'd like to call upon Zubair, who will be felicitated by the opponent of the All-Stars captain for scoring 50 runs. Mind you, just in 20 balls. He was just causing havoc, destruction, and he was on a rampant just mission. It's just showing that he's playing up to his full potential, and he deserved to be the man of the match for today's game.
Excellent, excellent.
Zubair, would you like to speak a few words with you?